seems like the next piece of the puzzle is to introduce app spaces.
Yeah, absolutely. So app spaces are a powerful way to dynamically provision an application runtime.
So hold on. When you say application runtime, that's just kind of a fancy way of saying that everything that application needs to function and run is provided by this app space.
Yeah, well said. And what is neat about app spaces is that different personas can contribute a little slice of that definition. So for our pilot app, the application owner said, like, hey, I need an API gateway and I need a database service. The security persona contributed the fact that they wanted all traffic between any components of these applications to be encrypted. And the SRE team said, like, hey, whenever you deploy an app in production, in order to be resilient, it has to exist across 2 availability targets. And app spaces just sort of magically make it happen. And so that's how we guarantee that their requirements today are preserved as they move to the private cloud.